Hello, everyone. This is Tiffany with Bearable Traders. This is my first recap. I'm really kind of nervous. This is completely out of my comfort zone, so I'm just going to jump into it. I like to trade 15-minute opening range breakups or downs. Oxy was beautiful with that strategy this morning. There was a nice bear candle for the first 15 minutes. Then it came back up and tested the VWAP and then consolidated for just a few minutes and broke down beautifully. And then it showed an indecision candle on the 1 minute, and then I figured it was going to go back up. So instead of holding on to the rest of my position, I just got out at break even in case it took off up the other way. So that was my first trade. My second was with Boeing. And I apologize, my cursor is not recording. I can see it, but it's not recording. Maybe I'll try to figure that out before I record the next one. So Boeing did a really nice ABCD pattern on the 15-minute chart. But the first time, the first entry I had, I didn't really like it because it was in between two levels, and so it was really at that moment for the next couple of minutes I was really nervous about it breaking up instead of down. So I went ahead and took some really quick profit, and then I just got out. Boeing, I know if you're on the wrong side of this trade, or it can move very quickly. So if it doesn't move in my direction fairly quickly, I get nervous with Boeing. So I would rather just get stopped out and then re-enter when I was more confident about the trade. And I was able to get a better entry. I got in right where it was, right at the top of that level at the 20 moving average where it couldn't break through. So then I took profits on the way down, and then on the 15-minute it made an indecision candle, and then on the 5-minute it started making new highs. So I just went ahead and got out of my whole position. And that's it. Those are my trades for today. I hope I did okay on my first recap. I will try to figure out that cursor if I do another. And I've been with Bearable Traders for 2.5 years now. I absolutely love it. It's the most wonderful community, and I've learned really everything that I know about trading. I learned from them. So anyhow, happy trading. Take care.